Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to set up and manage passkeys using Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro. Passkeys let you log into your website without typing your credentials. Instead, you can use your fingerprint, Face ID, or device PIN to sign in. The features shown in this video require both Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro to be active on your WordPress site. We start on the Ultimate Security dashboard. Let's move to the top bar and hover over Settings. This opens a menu. Go down to Login and Authentication and click on Passkeys. Now we are on the Passkeys overview page. Here, you can see a quick summary of how many users and passkeys are currently on your site. Since we are setting this up for the first time, all our numbers are at 0. Next is the Quick Action section. We have 3 action buttons, such as Settings, Activity Log, and Manage Passkeys. From here, we can access the dedicated Tools settings page. Below, we have the Authenticator types and Recent Activity sections. Now, let's configure our passkeys. For that, we click on the Settings button. This takes us to the Settings page. First, we turn on the Enable Passkeys toggle. This allows users to start using passkeys on the site. Next, we turn on the Enable Maximum Passkeys toggle. This lets us limit how many passkeys a single user can add, which helps keep things organized. Next, we leave the max passkeys number set to 3, meaning one user can register up to 3 devices. Below are the enabled user roles. Click on the box to open the drop-down menu. From here, we can select which types of users can use this feature. Let's select Administrator and Subscriber for this video. This means both your website administrators and subscribers will have access to passkey logins. One thing worth knowing is that we recommend using the default settings unless you understand the passkeys configuration. Let's continue down to the next sections to see more choices. We turn on the Exclude Existing Credentials toggle. This feature stops a user from accidentally registering the exact same device twice. Below that, we have Registration Timeout and Login Timeout, which are both set to 5. This is the amount of time a user has to complete their secure setup or login before the session safely closes. At the bottom, we have the Enable User Verification section, and we click the toggle to turn it on. This is useful because it forces the user's device to run its local check like a fingerprint scan or face lock before letting them log in. Now, let's scroll back up and click Save Changes. With our settings saved, let's add a passkey for the admin account. From the left side menu, we hover over Users and click Profile. This brings us to the admin's profile page. Now scroll down to find the Security section. Under the Ultimate Security section, look for the Passkeys area. It currently shows a warning that no passkey is configured. As soon as we click on Register New Passkey, a browser pop-up will appear on your screen, asking if you want to create a passkey for this site. We click the Create button. The system will quickly register your device, and you will see a success notification stating that your passkey has been successfully saved and an auto-page reload will occur. If we look back at the Passkeys section, we can now see our newly registered passkey. It shows the name, the date it was added, and the last time it was used. If you ever need to remove a device, there is a Revoke button right next to it. Let us click Revoke to see how it works. A pop-up will ask if you are sure you want to delete this passkey. Now let's see how the passkey works in the login form. So, we open a new browser tab and go to the WordPress login page. Notice that there is a new button here that says Login with Passkeys. Instead of typing our username and password, we click on the button. The browser instantly pops up, showing the saved passkey. We click the Continue button with the saved passkey. The system will quickly authenticate the device, bypass the password screen completely, and log you into your WordPress dashboard. It is that simple and incredibly secure. Now let's look at where passkeys can be used beyond the default WordPress login page and how to keep track of them once the users start using them. Back in Passkeys settings, we move to the Display setting page. Here we can turn on passkey login for other login forms on the site. If you are running an online store, you can toggle on login for WooCommerce. We click the toggle on, as we already have WooCommerce running on this site. This adds the passkey option right onto the WooCommerce login page. Below that, we have login for MemberPress and login for easy digital downloads. If you run the plugins, you can simply click these toggles to make passkey logins available on those respective forms. Below that, there are 2 shortcodes. One embeds the passkey login form on any page, and the other embeds the registration form. These are only needed if we're building a custom page and want to place the form ourselves. Then we have the admin area options. Display Passkeys in Users List adds a passkeys column to the user's screen so we can see at a glance who has one set up. Next, Display Passkeys in Edit User shows the passkey section when we're editing a specific user. Both settings are turned on by default. Now scroll up and click Save Changes. Let's check the All Users list now. Here, we have a WooCommerce subscriber enlisted already. Also, there's a new Passkeys column, and it shows Admin as activated since we registered a passkey for that account. Now let's set up the passkey for the WooCommerce subscriber. We switch back to the subscriber account and go to his profile. Scroll to the Passkeys section. We click Register New Passkey. Just like before, we click Create, and it's added. By this, the subscriber can use passkeys too, since we included that role in the settings at the beginning. As the page auto-reloads again, we can now see the passkey section for this user is now updated with Protected with Passkeys. The passkey is added into the table. The user can also revoke the passkey. Click on it just to show what it looks like. Since we're keeping this passkey, we cancel it. Let's test this from the front end. We will go to our website's homepage. In the top navigation menu, click on My Account to head over to our login page. On the WooCommerce login page, we now see the Login with Passkeys button we enabled earlier. Let's click on it. The browser window pops up, listing the available passkeys for this device along with the admin passkey. Now select the subscriber's passkey, and the browser will authenticate the user's credentials and instantly log the subscriber into his customer dashboard without requiring him to type their username and password. Finally, let's see how we can monitor and manage all of this from the Ultimate Security plugin. Let's switch back to our admin account. And click on Ultimate Security Pro, go to Login and Authentication, and click on Passkeys. First, let's click on the Passkeys tab in the secondary menu. Here, we get a central directory of every passkey registered on the site. We can search for them or filter by status or creation date for a specific user, and reset the filters too. Next, this lists every passkey registered across the whole site. It shows the user, security key name, authenticator type, status, last used time, creation date, and an action column. Each entry has a status toggle, so we can deactivate a specific passkey without deleting it, which is useful if a device is temporarily out of reach. If a user loses a device and wants to delete their passkey, we can simply click the Delete button next to it. A pop-up will ask to confirm. Clicking Delete will permanently remove it from their account. Also, there is pagination at the bottom of the table. Lastly, we move to the activity log page. This is where Ultimate Security keeps an exact, time-stamped record of every passkey-related action on the site. At the top, we have search and filter options to find passkey activity logs. We can search by keyword, filter by user, event type, IP address, or date range, and easily reset all filters when needed. Now, let's look at the activity log table of everything that's happened with passkeys on the site. Each row shows the user and their role, a plain description of what happened, the action type, the passkey's status at that point, the IP address it came from, and when it happened. This way, you have full visibility and complete control to monitor and manage all passkeys on your site. The table also includes pagination at the bottom, allowing you to browse through multiple pages if there are many logs. That covers the Passkeys feature in Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro. From turning it on and configuring it to registering and managing passkeys to using them across different login forms on the site, right through to keeping a full record of every registration, login, and status change in the activity log page. You can download Ultimate Security using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security videos, and we will see you in the next video.